Ah, the familiar scene. Fumbling for a flashlight, tripping over a chair. So, the lights just went out. Again, now what? Whether it's a thunderstorm, grid failure, or something bigger, blackouts are no joke. But with a little prep, you won't be the one panicking in the dark. Here's how to survive a blackout like a pro, and maybe even enjoy it. Number 1, let there be light. That doesn't burn your house down. First instinct, grab candles. Better instinct, don't. Open flames equal fire hazard. LED lanterns and headlamps are safer, brighter, and last longer. Stash them in easy-to-grab spots. Rechargeable batteries and solar chargers equal endless light. Bonus move, glow sticks for kids, or to feel like you're at a rave. Number 2, power up or power down. No electricity, your phone's battery just entered panic mode. Keep power banks fully charged. A solar generator can run phones, fans, medical devices, and more. Car inverters? Yep, that 12-volt plug can power a lot. Pro tip, don't waste juice on scrolling social media. Save power for the stuff that matters. Water, you need it more than Wi-Fi. When the power goes out, water might too. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day, and double that if it's hot. Have a gravity-fed filter or life straw to clean whatever water you can find. Pro tip, fill your bathtub right away when the power dies. That's free water storage. What's for dinner? It's not takeout. The fridge is warm, the microwave's useless, but you've got options. Canned goods, MREs, peanut butter, no fridge needed, manual can opener, because electric ones are dead weight. Got a camp stove or rocket stove, dinner's on. Just cook outside. Pro tip, freeze water bottles. They keep the fridge cold longer and double as drinking water later. Number 5, keep warm or cool. Winter blackout, layer up, wool blankets, sleeping bags, and thermal clothes. Summer, hydrate, open windows at night, and use battery-powered fans. Pro tip, shut doors in unused rooms. It helps keep the heat or cool where you need it. Number 6, communication is key, so is knowing what's going on. Cell towers might be down. Get a hand crank radio or NOAA weather radio for updates. Walkie-talkies work if your group spreads out. Pro tip, texts often go through when calls don't. Number 7, security. The dark can bring out the worst. Most people are cool, some aren't. Lock up, keep doors and windows secure. Solar motion lights outside, instant deterrent. Have a self-defense plan and tools ready. Pro tip, don't broadcast that you're the only house with lights on and a hot meal. When the lights go out, you stay calm. Be ready before it happens. And if you want to make it really easy, head to alwaysbereadyusa.com. We've got blackout kits ready to go. Plus, get 10% off your order with code FRIEND10. Stay safe. Stay ready. Always be ready.